As we have seen in video 4, trying to hold back the tide and defend the coast from erosion with seawalls and other hard structures has been expensive and often destructive. They have caused narrowing of beaches, destroyed the natural character and beauty of the coast, made public access and use difficult or even dangerous, damaged the habitats of shoreline species, and threatened the social, cultural, and recreational use of our beaches. The solution is a new approach, working with nature, not against it. People coexisting with beaches and adapting to the future, not just reacting to crises. This must be sustainable. In other words, it has to consider the environment, but also factor in people and cost, so that it can work today and into the future. The plan is based on understanding and working with nature, learning, as in our video 1, how beaches and estuaries naturally work, and using this knowledge to restore natural coastal features, beaches, dunes, and wetlands to once again form buffers against coastal hazards. In general, it will involve all stakeholders, coastal communities, tangata whenua, councils, planners, and incorporate mātauranga Māori, traditional Māori knowledge, into management practice. It will predict and plan for the next 100 years and adapt to changing sea levels, natural weather extremes, and other future risks. It will set back any new development well inland to allow for shoreline movement. It will continue to protect the use of beaches for people and communities, for their social, cultural, and economic well-being, and ensure safe public access and recreational use of beaches. For beach areas of high significance, for Māori, of other historical value, or of biological or wilderness importance, reserves will be created with long-term protection. How will all this be achieved? By using a wide range of tools and strategies, which may change and adapt over time and changing conditions. An overview of these will include creating setbacks and other controls on development to allow room for restoration, working on restoration, dune systems and public beach access, salt marshes and coastal wetlands, and even the long-term regrowth of coastal forest. Encouraging relocatable and appropriate building designs, and clarifying the conditions and triggers for managed retreat. Assisting nearshore properties to plan for possible outcomes with, for example, temporary dune push-ups and eventual plans for relocation if necessary. Improving sediment supply on beaches by returning clean, dredged, local sand. Hard engineering may form part of a stopgap solution on difficult sites. In general, working with nature leads to cost-effective, efficient, and flexible solutions for our coasts.